Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. Turn off the AC at the wall and the outdoor breaker so you won't short anything. Once done, put on gloves and set a ladder stable under the indoor unit. You're removing the front net/filter now. Make sure the unit is cool for 10-15 minutes because plastic catches heat. Keep a soft cloth and a Phillips screwdriver at hand. Those two tools handle most clips and screws. Now move to open the service panel carefully to expose the net. Once the panel is open, locate the clips or the two screws that hold the filter net. You want to unfasten slowly, turn screws counterclockwise, or depress the plastic clips, because rushing breaks tabs. Then tilt the net forward and lift it out of the top slots. Keep it level so dust doesn't spill into the fan. Check the mesh for tears and examine the tab's orientation. This helps when you reattach it. Note which side faces the evaporator coil, and which side. With the net removed, wash it gently in lukewarm water and mild soap. Then air dry fully before reinstalling, because moisture causes mold. To reinstall, slide the top edge into the same top slots, press the bottom edge until clips snap, or fasten the two screws snugly, not over-tightened. If once powered the unit rattles or the net doesn't sit flush, make sure clips align and that no plastic tab is broken. If a tab is damaged, replace or secure with a small 3M plastic repair piece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.